So hello guys, we just received a Skin White Brighter Than Ever box couple of weeks ago. So i-unbox na natin siya kung ano yung laman nito. Okay, so there's like a message. Hello Glow Digger, here are Skin White solutions. We believe that everyone deserves to have a brighter than ever screen that radiates confidence enough to take on the world. And for that, we introduce to you to our newest products, Wonder Wash, Talented Toner, and Happy Crush, all made with the finest ingredients from from Japan, Korea, and Thailand. So let us all be part of your journey shining brighter than ever. Thank you. So, yun yung ano nila Instagram is Skin White Solutions, and share it to brighter than ever journey. So, anong laman nito? So, we have toner. Yung step 1 kasi nasa Wonder Wash eh. So, Wonder Wash. Ito. Wonder Wash. How to use. They have like so, yung sinabi dito sa Wonder Wash, begin your skin routine with a cleansing with your face with this gentle, high-performing cleanser that removes dirt while protecting the skin natural moisture barrier. It's perfected for dull and acne-prone skin as it contains a balanced pH level, preventing skin damage and dirt-causing acne. So, hindi lang pala sa girls to, pwede rin sa guys. So, yung step 1 natin, Wonder Wash. Ano yung Wonder Wash natin? So, parang kit siya. Step 2. We have step 2, Talented Toner. And step 3, Happy Crush. Yan. So, 3 sets na siya. So, ito yung step 2. Toner. Step 1, Wonder Wash. So, yan. So, green. And then we have the Skin White. Step 3, Happy Crush. So I let my my mom and sister use this as well. Okay. So yun yung makikita nyo sa box. So step 1, step 2, step 3, at saka brighter than ever for Gold Digger. Okay. Ayan, Skin White. That's it. So, thank you. And